How to turn on profile views on TikTok if it's not showing. First of all, go to the Play Store in your device. After you go to the Play Store in your device, now go to the search section in the Play Store and search TikTok out there. After you search TikTok out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the application TikTok and you have to see whether any update is available or not. And if you see any updates there, just update your TikTok application by clicking on Update Application. After you update it, now you have to go and open TikTok on your device. You can go and tap on TikTok and this way your TikTok will be launched. You have to go to the option of profile section on the very TikTok which is located on the down right. After that you have to go to the three lines on the top right. Now you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. After you tap on settings and privacy, now scroll down until you find the option of privacy. Now go to the option of privacy there. After you go to the option of privacy, now you have to turn down and you have to see the option of profile views. Now go to the option of profile views and see whether profile view history has been turned on or not. If it has been turned on like this, turned off like this, you have to turn it on. And this way your problem will be solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.